Take out the machine stand from the wooden box and the screw package from the toolbox. Use screws to connect the frame as shown. Slightly tighten the screws at first. Place the machine stand on flat ground and check its stability. Tighten all connecting screws. Put down the 4 machine feet and make them close to the ground. Take out the gaskets from the toolbox and place them in the connection holes. Remove the screws under the wooden box. Align the machine to the stand hole and place it on. Fix the machine and the stand with screws. Slightly loosen the screws on the thread holder. Lift the thread holder to the groove position. Lower it a little. Align the hole with the groove plane and tighten the screws. Assembly complete. Add appropriate amount of white oil to the oil pot. Remove and check the bobbin case and bobbin. Load the bobbin as shown in the video. Install them into the hook. There will be a click sound when successfully installed. Add 1 or 2 drops of white oil to the hook. Add 1 or 2 drops of white oil to the needle bar. Place the embroidery thread spool. Tie a knot with the new thread and the original thread according to the needle number. Pull the thread down. Pass the thread through the needle hole and the presser foot hole. Connect the power cord to the machine and turn it on. Check whether the needle position alarm occurs. If the problem occurs, solve it as shown in the video. Check other needle bar movements after the needle position appears. Check driver's movement. Click the 100-degree button to see if the machine moves. Enter the debugging interface, password 8234556. Select the trimming and head test. First check if machine has trimming action job. Test items 2 to 6 to check whether the machine has the corresponding action. At the end, reset the trimmer. After the test is completed, import the pattern as shown in the video.